Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A15. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A15 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy A15 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then we will find here something say channel management. Simply click over there and then we will find here date and time. From here, if you decide to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A15, you can simply turn off this automatically date and time. And from here now you can easily change any date you want. If you want any date, you can easily choose, and if you want to set any time, you can easily choose whichever time you want, and you can make it here done. Now if I go back, we will see my phone going to appear new date and time. So in this simple way you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A15. But I will suggest you to turn on automatically date and time, which will help you to whenever you are in London and you went to Dubai, whenever you reach in Dubai, whenever your phone is going to be connect with the local network, your phone going to appear that area local time. So anyway, if you want to set automatically date and time, we need to go again in your Samsung Galaxy A15 settings section, scroll down, and then you need to click over channel management. After click over there, you need to click here date and time, and then you can simply turn this automatically date and time. So within this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one.